Okay, so here we have something called an energy transfer circus. Okay, I'm just going to show you what's going on. Okay, so first we want to generate some electrical energy just by rotating this. So kinetic energy converted into electrical energy here. I'm just going to power this up. This is connected to our capacitor, which is this object here. So it's connected to this capacitor. Capacitor can temporarily store electrical energy. Okay, so after we've done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how the energy transfer works. Okay, so see what kind of energy we've got here. So sound energy, light energy, and here we have kinetic energy. Electricity can't be stored, so energy can't be stored through electricity, and that's why you can see that it's been discharged and no longer functions. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, electrical energy cannot be stored, but a capacitor is the closest we can get to it. All right, thank you for listening. Bye for now.